Hello everyone. Today we are going to continue with the coordinate bonding. The previous video we have discussed with the ionic and covalent bonding. But before starting that, why we are means what main thing I want to do in this video, that is whatever the problem you are facing during your exam time. See, these are the things: ionic bonding, explanation of covalent bonding, coordinate bonding. This anywhere, any educational video you can see all these things. But what I feel that I should share with you the mistake. The most of the student what you do during your exam, board exam, that thing if you are, I am discussing with you because I have seen when I am checking answer sheet or exam copy. That time I feel that children are knowing that thing. They know what is coordinate bonding. They know covalent bonding, ionic bonding. It is everybody is knowing about the thing, but that still they are doing some common mistakes, which I don't want that you should do that, and that is the reason. The main point I have taken few problem also, so that when I will explain you, you know these are the error. Okay, so this I should not do that. So let's start with this. Coordinate bonding is a very small topic. I'll explain that and then I will start with the problem solving from this chemical bonding chapter, which is related to your board exam. Okay, so let's start with this. What is coordinate bonding? That day also in my previous video also I have told. Coordinate bonding mainly it is in between molecule and ion. Okay, molecule and ion. At this molecule here they should have lone pair of electron which is not bonded. Bond pair which is already bonded, lone pair which is excess. Okay, so for example, if I take an example of ammonia, in the reaction what happened? Ammonia when reacts with HCl, what it will form? It will form ammonium chloride. Okay, now this ammonia we have seen, this will show covalent bonding. Covalent bond, this is also covalent bond. Okay, and here this one is ionic compound. See here NH4 plus and Cl minus. So now this NH4 plus, how it is formed? So that formation it is done by coordinate bonding. Coordinate bonding. Now see here, when you draw this ammonia covalent bond, nitrogen is having 7 protons, so it is 2 comma 5. So 5 is called as valence electron. This is valence electron, and hydrogen is having 1 electron each. Okay, now what will happen? This 5 electron you draw 1 2 3 4 5. 5 electron, it is electron dot structure. Electron dot structure. Dot structure. Now see here, when hydrogen it will be bonded, it is having 1 electron each. 1 electron each, and hydrogen will get the configuration of nearest inert configuration. Who is that nearest? Helium. So helium is atomic number is 2, means 2 electron. So it is getting 2 electrons. So it is getting the configuration of helium, which is also called duplet configuration. Duplet configuration. Okay. Now nitrogen is near. It is near to which inert gas? It is near to neon. So neon is having what is the configuration of neon? 2, 8. So last shell it is 8. So nitrogen will get the configuration of nearest inert gas, that is neon. So now nitrogen 2 is already having and 5 is there. So 3 more it required. So 3 more from whom? 3 hydrogen it will take. So now it is sharing all this electron. Okay. Now what happened? Now see here. This is the main concept. Now here it is bond pair. This is bond pair. This one is bond pair. This with hydrogen one. So if you write this, how you write? Nitrogen, one hand with hydrogen, one hand with hydrogen, one hand with hydrogen, and this two pair it is called lone pair. So nitrogen is having lone pair. Lone pair. Now what will happen? It will bond with H plus ion. H plus ion from where? When this bond will break. Chlorine is having more electronegativity. So chlorine will abstract the electron from hydrogen. So what is the hydrogen? Hydrogen is having 1 electron and this chlorine is having 7 electron. Okay. Now this, when bond will break, this electron will shift to chlorine side. It will abstract that electron. So what is happening in HCl? HCl is 1. Hydrogen is 1 and chlorine is 7. Chlorine is 7. When bond will break, this electron is given to chlorine because chlorine is having more electronegativity. Its tendency to abstract the electron will also be more. So by giving, it become H plus. Okay. Now this condition is very fraction of time. Okay. A element without electron, it cannot exist for long time. So this ion, when this ion will combine with this ammonia, what will happen? This ammonia will give this electron to hydrogen. Now hydrogen is forming the or satisfying the octet. 2 electron it is, octet is satisfied, duplet. Sorry, for hydrogen case it is duplet. So its duplet is satisfied. So what will happen? There will be a coordinate bond. When this lone pair is donated to ion, hydrogen ion, so that time the bond is forming is called coordinate bond. And how we represent it? This representation is very important. Most of the children do mistake over here. So be careful. Okay. So what will draw? This is nitrogen, 1 electron from nitrogen, 1 electron from hydrogen. 1 electron from nitrogen, 1 electron from hydrogen. Okay. This is electron dot structure I am showing. Then it is forming a bond. Okay. In between there is a bond. And this lone pair, it is given to H plus. Okay. And this bond is called, when it is donating this positive charge, you can write for the whole compound. So this way ammonium ion is forming. Ammonium ion is forming. Okay. So this all about the coordinate bonding. Okay. Next, after this coordinate bonding, if you understood, then 3 bonding we have studied. Now ionic bonding, covalent bonding and coordinate bonding. So 3 types of bonding we have studied in this chapter. Based on this, what kind of question can be asked? That is the main, where you will be doing mistake. What I feel, because I have from since 17 years I am seeing that children are doing the same kind of mistake. So that mistake you should not do. That is the reason I am doing this kind of video, so that you are not supposed to do that kind of mistake. So write it down. In next then I will discuss with this problem solving. Let's start with the problem solving. Okay. What way the question will be asked? See, the first question I have written. You have given 2 elements. Atomic number is given A16 and B22. Okay. What is the question? Which will form cation? Okay. Cation means, first you have to understand, It is positively charged. Okay. So positively charged means what? When positive, when they will form positive charge, when they will lose electron. Bus. These two things you have to understand. What is cation and anion means? Cation positive charge, anion negative charge. Negatively charged. Okay. So this one will be negatively charged when they accept. दो two things I have told. जो donate करता है they will be positive effect, and who will accept means जो हमेशा लेते हैं दूसरों से, that is a negative effect. So negatively when they gain electron, like that you will remember. Okay. Now solve this. A electronic configuration, what it will be? 16 is the atomic number. So 2, 8, 6. Okay. And B is 20. So B electronic configuration you write 2, 8, 8, 2. Okay. Now among this A and B, who will lose electron, who will gain electron? You have to think about the last shell electron, that is valence shell electron. B is having 2 electron. It will lose or it will gain? First thing that. Yes, it will lose. Why? Because by losing it will get the configuration of argon 288. Easy to lose. Okay. And here for A, substance A, what is the last electron is 6. For A, the gaining electron is easy than that of losing 6 electron. So 6 electron already है, 2 electron accept करेगा, then it will be what will happen? It will get the configuration of again argon. So what will happen? A will gain electron, 2 electron will gain. So by gaining, A will be -2, and here B will lose 2 electron. So by losing, B will be +2. So you can easily now tell me who will form cation? B will form cation. So answer is, this answer is B. Who will form anion? A will form anion. So answer is A. Okay. And what will be the nature of bond? Okay, for nature of bond, what I say, ionic bond between metal and non-metal. Metal and non-metal. Covalent bond between non-metal and non-metal. And coordinate bond, that is molecular line. But here not, ion is not there. So in between this, you have to identify whether it is ionic or covalent. Here one is charge is forming. So here it is transfer of electron. So it is ionic bond. So it is ionic bond. You can show also how it will be. A is having 6 electron. A is having 6 electron. Draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And B is having valence electron is 2. So this 2. What will happen? B will donate this electron and getting the configuration is 2, 8, 8. And A will, after gaining electron, this configuration become again argon. So this is transferring electron, and that's why it is ionic bond. Understood? By losing, you can say B become B plus, 2 plus, and A become 2 minus. So therefore there is a electrostatic force of attraction, which is nothing but ionic bond. Okay. Explanation, if they will not ask, no need to write. I am just explaining for your understanding. This always they will ask one word answer. So how you will solve? That is the method. Answer only this. Cation is B, anion is A, bond type of bond is ionic bond. Only these 3 answer, 3 marks. So scoring is very easy. If you systematically solve, the scoring will be very easy. Okay. Next question is electron dot structure. See here, it is electron dot structure. You have to show the electron, valence electron. So first one is CH4, carbon and hydrogen. Carbon, what is this? Carbon electronic configuration, atomic number is 6, 2, 4. Hydrogen 1. But hydrogen, 4 hydrogen is there, so 4 times you have to write 1. That's all. That one only you have to show the valence electron. This is the valence electron for hydrogen. These are the valence electron. So write carbon will be at the center. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 valence electron, and hydrogen will be surrounded. Hydrogen, because which is alone, that will be center. Carbon is only one atom, so it will be center. Remaining, which will be more number, that will be surrounded. So hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. Now 1 electron, 1 electron, 1 electron, 1 electron, 1 electron. Valence electron, first you have to check, and that valence electron you have to show by dotted line. This one I have taken cross, you can put dot also. Okay. Next one is N2. N2, nitrogen. See, same atom 2 times. So nitrogen, nitrogen. Now electron you have to write. So nitrogen, what is the atomic number? 7. What is the configuration? 2, 5. So 5 is the valence electron. So in both case 5, 5 valence electron, dot you have to give. So give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have given in the same so that you can draw for bonding also. Bonding के लिए भी आप देख के समझ में आ जाएगा कैसे bonding हो सकता है. Okay. So this is 5 electron. Same with this side also 5 electron. Now this is only this much only you have to draw electron. You have to just show the valence electron. If it is bonding, if they will ask bonding, then you will try to make it 8 because nitrogen किसके पास है? नियॉन के पास है, तो नियॉन के 2,8 है. So you have to make it more 3 electron you have to make. So you have to make it 2,8. So for that 3 electron you have to share. So then you will share like this. You will share like this. That time it is bonding. But when they are asking electron dot structure, only you have to show the electrons. These are the electrons. Don't forget. When they will ask electron dot structure, don't show bonding. And if they are asking bonding, you have to make it sharing. You have to show the sharing. Okay. So this kind of mistakes you all do. Mostly students used to do all this kind of mistake. That only I am discussing. So electron dot structure means you have to show the electron. Next one is hydronium ion. What is hydronium ion? This name is hydronium ion, means it is H3O coming from water. H3O ion. It is plus. Hydronium ion means H3O plus. So when it is ion, which kind of bonding? Coordinate bonding. Because it is coming from water molecule and one H plus ion is attached. Means it is lone pair of electron is donated to H plus ion. So let's start. Show this. Hydrogen is first to write what is coming from which molecule? Coming from water. So H2O first you have to draw. So what is H2O? Oxygen will be at the center because oxygen is only one. Okay, what I said, who is be alone? जो अकेला होता है उसको बीच में रखो. So ये oxygen is alone. So oxygen will be center. Hydrogen will be side. Okay, oxygen के दोनों side में hydrogen. Now what is the oxygen electronic configuration? 2,6. So 6 is the valence electron. Draw 6 electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And hydrogen 1. So 1 electron, 1 electron. Now this lone pair will be given to whom? H plus ion. So that H plus ion it will be, and this electron will be given to H plus ion. So this is the structure of hydronium ion. Okay, and either you write here or you can write bracket and that plus sign is outside this way. Then HF. Next one is HF. How will draw this? H and F. F is fluorine. Fluorine is which group? 17 group. So hydrogen, I am writing here hydrogen electron is, now I am not writing the electronic configuration. You will write in same way. Okay. Hydrogen electron is 1, configuration is 1 and fluorine is 2, 7. So 7 is the valence electron, 1 is the valence electron. So 1 electron you have drawn. Then fluorine. Fluorine is 7 electron. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So this is the only this electron dot structure. When it is bonding, that time you have to show the bonding like this. This will be duplet and this will be octet. So when electron dot structure, that time you don't have to show this circle. Okay, remember this. This one only when it is asked for bonding. Only when they will ask electron dot structure, show the dots line. Only this much. Okay, no need to show the round. Next one is NaBr. Na sodium. What is the configuration? 2, 8, 1. Okay. And bromine. Bromine, no need to write the electronic configuration. Bromine is which family? Bromine is from 17 group number. Halogen family. Okay. So all halogen family valence electron will be same. Either it is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. All will have same valence electron. So bromine is also having 7 valence electron. So it is 7 valence electron. This is 1 valence electron. So now draw this. Sodium electron, valence electron is 1 and bromine valence electron is 7. That's all. Electron dot structure. But in this case, as it is sodium is metal, bromine is non-metal, so it will be transfer of electron. Here it is sharing of electron. So depending on this metal, non-metal, 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 you will identify where it will be transfer of electron, where it will be sharing of electron. Next few question is asked, which form ionic bond? Which one will form ionic bond? Ionic bond means transfer of electron. So answer will be NaBr. NaBr is a ionic compound. Polar covalent bond. Polar means when there is a large difference in polar, when it is covalent bond, it will be covalent bond, but there will be a difference in electronegativity. Polar, I will write here, difference in electronegativity. En, electronegativity. Two atom has huge difference in electronegativity. Now which one you think? See, H and F both are non-metal, but electronegativity fluorine is the highest electronegative, but hydrogen is written in the first group. So there is a huge difference in electronegativity. So polar covalent bond is HF or HCl also. If it is HCl, then HCl also. Okay. Then triple bond. Why it will be triple bond means bonding area 3 electron pair. Who is having in bonding area 3 electron pair? चलो check करते. Where it is, first one is methane. Methane is, this is one bond, one. All are single bond. No. Then nitrogen. Yes, nitrogen, if it will form a bond, then what will happen in bonding area? How many? 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair. So this is triple bond. So this answer is nitrogen. So I hope this way I will now solve for each chapter. I will solve the problem solving, so that you can easily understand where you can do the mistake. I said electron dot में bonding नहीं दिखाने का. So this is one mistake you all do. And this cation and anion, like this in cation positively in anion negatively, these are very basic, but children used to do mistake over here. cation के जगह पे anion लिखते हैं, anion के जगह पे cation लिखते हैं. So those kind of mistake never ever do. That's why I am doing this much effort for you. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe it, share with your friends, whomever you know, because this is beneficial. That's why I am telling. Okay, if you share with the friends whom you know who are studying in the same class, you can give it to your friends also. Okay, thank you.